Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hope your day is going good. I'm Kevin Bentley, Flame Music. Hope you all's day is going good, and you know the vibe. Hit the like and subscribe, and all that stuff, and notification bell, so you know when I post something. All that stuff people say when the video starts. But there has been quite a bit of buzz about that Key 37, man. What are y'all thinking about it? People that got it. Leave your comments below what you think about it. And are you going to get it yourself if you already own an MPC? I have my own personal thoughts about that, but that's neither here nor there. So, like I said, it's been a lot of buzz about the MPC Key 37. Some good reviews and then some not so good reviews. And what I think some people are having issues are bugs with MIDI notes and some of the functions. But hopefully, Akai will get some of those issues taken care of. But I think for the most part, people are pretty happy with the Key 37. I hope my mic volume is fine. What was I going to say? Uh, I think it's great. As I say in one of my other videos, I think it fits perfect for people that don't want to carry MPC Live or MPC One and then have to have a MIDI controller. It's all in one shebang. Again, I think the one thing that some people aren't really happy about is that it's only it's not as many gigs of RAM as the the Key 61, or I think the MPC X SE. Me personally, I have the Key 61, and it's perfect. It does everything that I needed to do. It's not too big. It's not too small. And if I go somewhere, I can just put it in my car back seat, and I'm good to go. So it does perfect. Does perfect for me. So I don't have a need to get a Key 37. I think if I had like another studio and I just had like a lot of disposable income that I didn't have nothing really to do with, I would probably get it just, if I had a smaller room, a little smaller studio. I know some people, they got the X, they got the Live, they got the One, they got the Key 37. That's a little overkill for me. I don't see the need to have that many MPCs like that, but that's neither here nor there. So anyway, yesterday I was working on the track and I was trying to record the video for YouTube. And anybody that makes YouTube videos or make beats knows that when you make a beat, it can go from 1 hour to 2 hours to 3 hours, and then while you're recording, you think to yourself, oh man, this video is going to be 3 hours long. I'm gonna have to chop all this down so that it can be only 15 to 20 minutes long so you don't bore people to death. And so it was getting in the way of my workflow. So I stopped making the video. I said, you know what, I'll just make the beat and then run through how I made it. So what I'm going to do is this is kind of the loop of the chord that I had. It was something like it just kind of loops back around. And then loops back around. So I used the sound from UV Workstation called Hybrid. And let's see here. Track 2 is drums. Track 3 is a bass. think I got this from, yeah, I use MPC BSTs, and also I use my own VSTs too. So Fabric has some nice bass sounds, so I use that for bass. Strings, I believe this is tube synth. So I used tube synths for that. All right, and horns, I used Expand, and everyone's pretty familiar with Expand. The neat thing about Expand is that it has so many categories of sounds, and then you go into a category and then you have a list of sounds. And the other great thing about it, it's really cheap price wise. You can layer sounds on top of each other, have multiple sounds with different effects, a purgator, all that kind of stuff. So it's great. Next sound I used was a Vox sound, and for this I used Contact 7. Come on, load up. I used duets from Native Instruments. So I used that just to add some vocal sounds to it. And everything else is just pretty much just other sounds to just kind of fill the song out. So I'm just going to manually switch through these different sequences. Okay. I gotta really learn how to get around this GUI of this. Okay, we're gonna just let it play. Go to intro. I don't know what that looks like.